my level up, my level up.
It's back.
Maybe today I don't get nothing, but tomorrow I go get something. And I go buy a motor for mama. Oh. But the enemy won't worry me. I go show all of them.
So now we are heading to Vilnius. We are going to Acropolis. It's a very big shopping center in Lithuania, in Vilnius, and yeah.
Maybe Lithuania.
So we are driving there now, and let's see what the Lithuanians they have for me. Let me see what I can buy in the shops, and yeah, it's still white outside. Still white.
Not so much like yesterday, but still white.
It rained a little bit today, and the snow it's melting. It's not so much like yesterday. So you guys, see you at the shopping center. And now we are here at Acropolis. It's one of the biggest shopping center in Vilnius. And I don't know if the name is really showing well. So we are now about to go in and so is getting a present for his godson.
Oh my sons and daughters.
All his godson and goddaughters.
Yeah.
Oh
So
my goodness.
we go now to buy alcohol for my godsons.
Yeah, so he's going to buy a little bit alcohol for the party that we are attending later today. with shopping.
But not cold because you still it's just made with alcohol and food, but not with normal shopping. With
Yeah, normal
what is
shopping.
more important for Susanna. She's just dresses. Yeah.
Tomorrow we will continue with dress shopping.
Yes.
Viešpats su jumis
ir su tavimi.
Pasiklausykite Šventosios Evangelijos pagal Luką.
Garbė tau viešpats Kristus, nuodėmė nebūti viena.
Yeah, please come a bit closer. So first of all, I would always recommend to try to go through all the gates you see, because the courtyard here in Vilnius also that are sometimes really beautiful, hiding some sculpture, something inside. So if the gates open, you can always take a picture, sculpture, something, or you also people can have stories and here we have a few things. So this actual exhibition, these like ghosts are from the day of St. Martin. They were just celebrating the day of like light and the tradition of light ghosts, or I don't know what it could mean. valstybės. And it's a real republic in that sense. They really have their own president, they have all the ministers, national days, 1st of April, flag, and all the things that the republic has. It doesn't have any separation, like economical separation from Lithuania. Community is a bit different in that sense that they're open to everybody. They're saying that we have this open palm, we're waiting to everybody. If you want, you can just come here to the events they're doing, to what else they're having here. And if you want, for instance, to become ambassador of the Republic of Lithuania, if you agree with all the statements, we're already ambassadors. So everything is like really easy working here in general. And this is like the main idea of all of this neighborhood here in general. I also want to show you these murals here. Lithuania is celebrating 100 years anniversary this year, also Estonia. And this Estonian project with the app, there's the app Restart Reality. These guys start to move and do something else than just sit here on the wall. As you can see, this guy is smoking. Everybody can see? Huh? Yeah, so we have a smoking guy. So here we are. Each of the pieces is dedicated to different writers. Of course, 95% of them are dedicated to Lithuanian writers, so I think I've never read a Lithuanian book, and it's okay. But some of them are also dedicated to foreigners. But these foreigners had to be somehow connected with Lithuania. So sometimes it really takes a little thing to be connected and end up on this wall. For instance, there is this one dedicated to French philosopher Jean-Paul Sartre. Maybe you have heard about him. And he came from all this to Lithuania as now. Stayed for a few weeks actually next to the seaside and then some gardens, but really just for holidays. And said that Lithuania is a good place for holidays. This is the connection to Lithuania. That's why there is a piece dedicated to him. Or for instance, there is one dedicated to the writer of Hannibal Lecter. Maybe you have seen the series, maybe you also read the book. So Thomas Harris wrote that Hannibal Lecter was born in Lithuania, and he was traumatized here when he saw his sister eaten by soldiers during the Second World War or something like that, and he began all his journey as well. So that's why there is also one dedicated to him. So if you're planning on writing a book, just somewhere.
Nori šokti svaigulį ir dūmuose, o aš noriu miškuose kvėpuot. Dažnai kalbuosiu tuo, kuris mane tau siuntė ir išėjo, klausiu, kiek man skirti tau dainuot. O eiti taip sunku, bet dar sunkiau sustot.